So morphology of mycelium, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies. These are three things that form the basis for the division of the kingdom into various classes. Now, the first class of the fungi is the phycomycetes. Now, some common examples of phycomycetes are mucor. See in the diagram, it's kind of like this shape. So mucor. Now, second is the rhizopus. Rhizopus, it is the bread mold. Okay, and third is the albuco, which is a parasitic fungi which on the mustard plant. So albuco, which is a parasitic fungi on mustard. Now, the second class of fungi is ascomycetes. Now, example of ascomycetes can be multicellular. Example penicillium, and rarely unicellular ascomycetes is the yeast, that is Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces, it is a Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So Saccharomyces, it is a genus, right? Now Ascomycetes is another example for class fungi. Ascomycetes are Aspergillus, Aspergillus, then Claviceps, Ascomycetes, cities, Claviceps, you see, seps, seeds, Ascomycetes, so Claviceps, and Neurospora, Asco, Sco, Neuro, you see, Spora, so kind of similar words, Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neurospora, okay. And many members like morels, truffles are edible and considered delicious. So morels, truffles belonging to the class fungi Ascomycetes. Now Basidiomycetes, which is the third class of fungi, is known of mushrooms. Basidiomycetes, commonly known as mushrooms. Now examples of class Basidiomycetes involves acaricus, which is a mushroom in the third agaricus in third diagram, these mushrooms. And then Eustylago, that is smut, and Puccinia, that is rust fungus. You can remember like that, U is us, U and S for smut, us, Eustylago, and Puccinia is a rust fungus. Puccinia is a UCPU, U for RU, rust. So Puccinia rust fungi. Now Deuteromycetes, it is an imperfect fungi, okay, because only the asexual or vegetative phases of this fungi are known. Asexual and vegetative phases. Now examples of Deuteromycetes involves Alternaria, Colicotrichum, and Trichoderma. And Trichoderma is also involved in the ringworm formation. So Alternaria, Colicotrichum, and Trichoderma. So ACT, Deuteromycetes, kind of long names, so you can remember that. So examples of Deuteromycetes, kind of long name like Colicotrichum, Trichoderma, Alternaria, kind of thing. So this was the classes of fungi, that is Phycomycetes, then Ascomycetes, then Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. And Ascomycetes is Asco, so sac fungi, also commonly known as sac fungi. And in the diagram you can see the first diagram showing the mucor belongs to the class fungi Phycomycetes. Second class is the Aspergillus, that is Ascomycetes, and Acaricus, that is mushrooms belonging to the Basidiomycetes. So this was all about the